Ciao a tutti, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Francesco Cavazzina and today I'm gonna share with you my grandmother's recipe of the most famous Italian dessert in the world, tiramisu. For our tiramisu, we will need homemade ladyfinger biscuits, fresh eggs, mascarpone, coffee, cocoa powder, sugar, optional Marsala wine, and dark chocolate. Egg yolks, egg whites, sugar, 00 flour, custard sugar, ice sugar, optional vanilla beans or vanilla essence. Add the 60 grams of sugar inside. Cut the vanilla beans in half and remove the beans inside. Add the egg yolks. Now let's beat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the egg yolks in a bowl. So you can see it's pretty stable. Add inside the egg whites. Beat the egg whites until foamy consistency. At this point, start to add the sugar slowly. At this point, our egg whites is ready. As you can see, it's very thick. Strain 2 times the flour. Start to take the egg whites and add to the egg yolks. To mix it from down to up. When it's almost incorporated, add the flour for the second time. And mix it from down to up. When it's almost incorporated, we add again some egg whites. Mix it. At this point, let's finish to mix all together. So after mixing all together, this is the consistency. add in a saccapoche. Cut the piping bags and make a line of 10 centimeters. Sprinkle with some castor sugar. Dust with ice sugar. Cook 180 degrees for 12 minutes. Now our ladyfingers are ready. Let's prepare our coffee. Add the coffee in a bowl and cool down. Break 3 eggs and divide the egg yolks from the egg whites. Mix the egg yolks and the sugar until foamy consistency. After a foamy consistency, add the mascarpone. And keep mixing all together. After well mix all together, is ready. Add the egg whites and mix with the sugar. Add a pinch of salt. Our egg whites are ready. Very stable. Combine the white. Gently mix it from down to up. So now our coffee is chilled, so let's add in a bowl dish that is easy to soak our biscuit. As all of you know, Italian people like to add alcohol in any dishes, so let's add Marsala. Take our homemade ladyfinger biscuit and soak in a coffee. Then rest in a plate. Now let's start to place our tiramisu. Then add on top our Ladyfingers biscuit. And then the second layer of a mascarpone sauce. Then finish with the last layer of ladyfinger biscuit. Add on top the last layer of mascarpone sauce. Take the cacao powder and gently sprinkle on top. And grate some dark chocolate on top. If you like the tiramisu, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.